Yo, welcome to another episode of Nurse God Creations. So of late, I've been getting a lot of messages from people telling me to send them the softballs that I use for my cinema 4D. So today, I'm going to show you a simple method to light up your scene without those softballs presets. Cinema 4D has a custom lightning kit that you can use to light up your stuffs in Cinema 4D. So first of all, this is what I'm going to use as my project. So it is a test. So assuming this is your design in Cinema 4D, and now you want to proceed with the lightning. But before we proceed with the lighting, let's try to render this test. So the moment I pressed on render, you see everything is dark because there is no light to light up my scene. So what I will do is, if you come to this side, you will see this bulb here. That is where the lightning kits of Cinema 4Ds are. So I'll press on it without releasing my hand. It will open these stars for me. There are plenty light, but what I would suggest you use is the area light. So the area light is similar to the softballs that I use. So this is the light, the box you are seeing here. So now let's set up our light. So I will drag it backwards. You see, as I'm dragging, the color of the text is revealing. But if I push it forward, you see, if I push it forward, you see the color is gone. So I have to bring it back. So in this setup, I'm going to use the 3-point lightning setup. So one will be here. Then I'll duplicate this same light by holding my shift, my control. Then I'll drag it like this to this side. Now I'll rotate the light by using my rotation tool. So I'll rotate it a bit like this. Then I'll use this move tool to bring it to this side here. I'm going to apply the same thing to the other side. So holding my control, I'll drag. Then using my rotation tool, I'll rotate it like this. Then I'll use the move tool to push it back a little. So now you can increase the brightness or decrease or change the color by selecting the light like this. When you come down here, you will see we have color, so you can change the color, but I'll maintain the color. And for the intensity, that is how bright you want the light to be. So it is 100%, but still you can go beyond 100% by increasing it like this. I'll come down a bit, then I'll increase the one here. So mostly if I'm doing product modeling, I mostly increase the size so that I'll get that white line at the edges of the product. So I think like this is okay. So now let's press on render and see what will happen. You see now the text has appeared. So it is not always about the softballs kit. I don't mostly use them. So see you next time for another tutorial and tip about designing 3D and other stuff. Thank you.